Hey guys, today we're doing actually should I say, welcome to One Flight. My name is Marty and today we are doing an FPV job in the city. So we're flying around offices and we're going to walk you through what's involved and see how things go. So stand by and let's have a look. Just had a chat with the security guard and I'll show you what gear that I've got with me today so you can get a better idea what normally comes. Okay, so today we brought our Senior Bot 30 that will basically carry a GoPro, no problems. And we've got our charger, batteries and a HOM 2.5 inch. So essentially if we are doing a flying indoors, that will bring a very small location, then very tight corners, then this is basically it. So that's basically that. We've got our system gimbal in the A7S III, just in case we do need to do any shots that are on the ground that we can still capture. So the package obviously is pretty much a bit of everything. At the front we've got our chesty just to carry all the batteries in together, and obviously second Senior Bot, and we've got an iPad in here as well. So iPad is obviously just to show clients what I'm seeing through the actual system. My goggles in the other bag. Let's have a quick look. Okay, so we've got a call sheet, and what have we got here? We've got our goggles, controller, basic toolkit just in case we need to make any repairs, mics, and check this baby out. It's a doorstop. So the door stoppers are a vital piece of equipment because we need to obviously keep doors open when we are flying through them. So that's basically it. All right, let's head upstairs and waiting for our contact to come down to get us. Okay, so we are in upstairs in the office, and sort of had a quick look around to see what we actually need to do. Now the tricky part about this is we've got sensor lights, and we have to actually walk the whole office for the sensor lights to actually turn on. So you can see that. There you go, see? But I must say the views are pretty cool from this office. So we are right next to Melbourne Flinders Street Station. So it's pretty cool. Anyway, that's basically how it looks like. So we're just gonna get our gear now, and we've got, you have to do it sort of fairly quickly just for the fact that the lights would start turning off. I mean, look at this, we've got to document this. And the lights are, so there we go. Yeah, so got to get the gear up running, and then might have to do a quick check, see if the signal's rock and rolling. So get the 3-inch out. We're shooting on the GoPro 13. Got the goggles and controller. So all right, let's take off and get everything organized. All right, so we as much as it looks a bit wanky, the chesty actually does serve a pretty good purpose. I'll show you what I've got in it. So essentially we've got all of our batteries and stuff in it, and it does really help to keep everything on you. Now I've got my backpack on as well, I've got to take that off, but I just thought I'd show you everything is getting shot on the GoPro today, and with the settings on the GoPro we're shooting everything in 8x7 4K 50. So the reason why 8x7 is later on in stabilization, we can, in post-production, we can stabilize all the footage and get rid of any crap that's basically unstable. So that's one of the reasons. but also we're shooting at 50 frames per second, so the editor can actually slow everything down nicely in 4K. I do prefer the footage from a GoPro for this sort of work. We also, another sort of trick that I sort of worked out, it's really good to keep the actual shutter speed on auto, but make sure that you don't go sort of below the ISO auto and shutter speed auto, just for the fact that we're actually flying through fairly dark and bright areas, and it's going to be quite difficult for the editor to do it. But essentially what we are doing is we are walking at the moment the office, and then making sure that the GoPro is actually going to be responding quite well to the actual footage itself. So I found few issues with the GoPro if we're going really light to dark, but I think this is going to be okay. It's going to be able to handle it quite well. So let's take off and see what we can get. All right, stand by.
Telemetry recovered.
Right, okay. So we're currently flying out of the lifts. So we hop the drone next to the lifts, and we are outside. Let's have a quick look, see if we can get up and running. And we crashed. Lovely. Let's see if we can do turtle mode. Okay, turtle mode. Okay, I'll bring it back because this is we might have to redo this flight. All right, we are at next level, and it took us a little bit longer than expected because we had people walking around the new offices, which I wasn't happy about. But the next level, we are stuck in a little room. Look at this, a little server room with shit. And the reason why is because we've got to be central for the signal to be quite good. But yeah, it's only one pay space around here that we need to basically do. So we've got to walk around now to turn all the lights on again to make sure that we have good lighting and fly again, baby. Okay, so we've done next level. This one's actually got a little bit easier, and it was a bigger area. So essentially we just did one zoom around. Get this though, funny thing. So we flew around sort of obviously a bit of a pot plant thing, and look at all the crap that's on the from it, because the drone on the floor as well, because the drone actually flicks everything up and makes mess with this sort of stuff. So hopefully the cleaners will come and vacuum everything up, but anyway, it's a quite funny one, eh? All right, let's go to the next level. Okay, packing up. Remember when I told you about the door stoppers? Yep, it is a fantastic thing to do when you are doing this sort of work, because none of the doors actually stay open. All right, so we're all packed up now. Thanks for watching, guys. Much appreciated. And just got to get my gimbal happening as well. I brought that with me too. But yeah, all done, and thanks for watching, and give me a like if you want to see more videos, and if you've got any questions, by all means shoot me a message, leave a comment, and yeah, let's get this YouTube channel off the ground. All right, thanks for watching, see you soon.